Hey everybody. So basically done what I can do on the olds for now till probably spring. Giving it a bit of a run here. Which you guys will see here in the video. Still got a little issue with this fuel mixer. Seems like when I shut it off, whatever is built up in this bowl does drain down into the fuel horn. So thinking must have a gasket issue a little bit or something. I'm having problems getting that to seal. So I have to deal with that. But for the most part, it's done. It's running. It's been a lot of work on that fuel mixer and stuff like that. Like I say, it's still giving me a little bit of grief, but we're getting there. So probably this will probably be the last video till spring. Like I say, I got a pulley and all that to put on it, but it's on a set of flywheels buried in about 3 feet of snow right now. So that definitely won't be happening till spring. Got a little bit of debris yet still in the hopper to get out. So when spring gets up and I can flush that out really good, I'll do that. And so like I say, I've just been kind of running it with no water in there, so I don't want to run around it too long, but it is, looks like I've got the check valve working pretty good. It's, definitely a lot better than it was. So yeah, so a few of the last jobs I did, just kind of took the nickel or zinc plating off any of the bolts, springs, all that type of stuff. So yeah, so we'll fire it up here for you guys and let you have a listen to it, and thanks again. So there guys, the 3 horsepower old. Hopefully you enjoyed the series. Like I say, there'll probably be 1 or 2 more videos late spring, early summer, something like that on it. Hopefully now I'm gonna, a couple other engines I want to pull out and work on. The other one is my 3 horsepower round hopper old. So I've learned a lot about these mixers and stuff with this project and stuff. So hopefully you like this series. Please like, subscribe, share. Comments are always welcome, both good and bad. So like I say, I don't know everything. I'm learning as I go too, right? Especially when it comes to the machine work and stuff like that. So, but overall, I'm happy with it for what it was and how badly it was rusted up. And I should show you guys one of these valves quickly here. Just to give you an idea how badly it was, that's the exhaust valve that came out of it. So just how bad it had rotted away there in the middle there. It did manage still to get it out. So, so that has it, guys. Take care. Hope your guys' projects are going well as can be expected, and hope to see them on YouTube too here soon. So take care. Thanks again, and be safe out there.